How to log in Crunchyroll account. So if you want to log into Crunchyroll account, then first you need to open up a browser, any preferred browser. I'm here with my Chrome browser. Go with the search. Under search, you need to search for Crunchyroll. Once you search, you just need to simply go with the first search, which is www.crunchyroll.com, and it will take you to the website, right? So you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that profile option. Click on profile, and here you will have create account or login. So if you want to log in, then just simply go with the login option, which is on the second. Once you go with login, it will take you to the login page where you just need to simply enter the email address and password. But if you don't have your account, you need to go with create one, which is here on the bottom, and then it will take you to the create page from where you can create your account if you don't have one. But if you already have an account, then enter your email address and the password. And if you don't remember your password, you just need to simply go with forgot password and you can create a new password. So once you enter your credentials, just simply go with login, click on login, and you will be able to log into your account if your credentials are correct. So that's it. That's how you can log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.